Christine, what's up? This is Logan interviewing a bird that we might get.
No, he's a bite. Watch.
He's not biting you. If you make him mad, he's gonna bite you.
Yeah, but
he wasn't trying to bite you then.
It's funny.
Maybe he just wants to know us.
That's funny. Oh, he's gonna bite me.
How much are they? 500?
Yeah. That's a spin.
What are they called? What is this? Black-caped cone. I think it's like a parakeet of some sort, isn't it? Parrot or parakeet or some shit?
I know what it calls. I want to get a baby.
Do you want to get him?
I know.
Sorry, buddy. Logan didn't bring it. Oh, he's just trying to get out and say hi to us. He likes the phones, too, like you do.
He wants to bite it.
Are you sure? No, he doesn't. I gave him a chance. He didn't bite it.
Wait, let me see.
Keep in mind the camera's on. See, he's looking at it, Logan.
I know. Why is he doing that?
He likes the phone.
Wait, let me see it again.
He's not trying to bite it.
I know. He won't bite it.
Yeah, if you make him mad, he's going to bite you. See, he just wants to see what we're doing. It's interesting to me. I've never seen one of these before. Maybe we should get him.
I don't want to right now.
Okay, Logan doesn't want you to become his favorite son.
Because you're going to hurt him. I
don't think he's going to. See, he gets away when I bring it over. See, he gets away from it. He don't want no problems. I think he's also a rapper, too, part-time.
Dad.
What's up, buddy? Hi. But you want one of those things instead.
No, I don't want them.
You don't like these?
I do like them.
Did you see one you want?
Wait, which one is that one? The blue one?
The blue one?
Yeah, right there at the top, right there.
Here?
Yeah, I don't know what it calls. What it calls?
These are parakeets, son.
Oh, the parakeet?
Yeah, let me find out. Yeah, right over here, son. It's a parakeet, buddy. You can probably hold him if you get a glove. This one, right? The one on the top? Do you want him?
No, not yet. I guess I'll show you. Like, no.
These are guinea pigs.
They can bite you?
And they're like mice and stuff. I don't know if your ferret would like them or not.
Is that mouse?
Them are rats. Yuck. These are guinea pigs or something.
What are they called?
Guinea pigs.
What are they called?
They're called guinea pigs. Hi guys. This is Logan's dad and this is my son Logan. We're trying to interview his ferret's son.
Please don't bite me.
They don't bite. Oh, they do. But see, this bird's trying to get your attention. He's doing tricks, Logan. He wants you to come and play with him. That's funny.
I can't. I'll get in trouble. I don't want to hold.
He wants to...
What's it doing?
I think he's trying to get us to come over here. What's up, bird? What?
What do you want? I'm not your dad.
Are you sure?
I'm not his dad.
No, are you sure he doesn't think you are? I think he's trying to put his beak out to you. He's not trying to bite you. That's weird. I thought they bit.
Oh, it's funny.
Yeah. Why do you keep calling my son over?
What is he doing?
He wants to tell you something, I think. I don't know. This is weird, Logan. Is he...
Oh.
He's trying to smell me.
Ew. That's it.
Yeah, that's weird, huh? Do we need to get your ferret anything?
Oh, I do. Wait. What it cost again?
It's $40. It doesn't cost a lot.
Yeah, let's get
Oh, it's 20% off. Well, look at these two, because them are the girl ones.
Oh, and what, is that boys?
Is there even anything in there? I don't see nothing. What about... Do you see anything down here? Them are mice.
Yeah,
them are mice. I don't like mice.
They can
them are mice too over there.
They can bite
a
you.
lot of mice. And this is guinea pigs down here as well. These are the guys though. These are boy guinea pigs. Some of the girl ones.
Is it bite or no?
I don't know. You'd have to ask one of the people that work here, son.
What it cost?
I'm not worried about the price. They're like $31.
$31?
That's not a lot.
Yeah, can we get them, I guess?
You're gonna take care of them?
Yeah.
Alright, see if they even like entertain you. I'm sorry, bird. He doesn't want to buy you.
How about we buy next?
See, he's waving at you.
How about, can we buy two?
Make me feel bad, bird. Back to what we're doing.
Okay. Oh. Come here. I think they're trying to do... Oh, he's coming.
What's wrong with that one?
Oh, he wants to come.
What's wrong with that other one?
Oh, no, I think he's sick. Oh.
Oh, they're fighting?
I think.
There's another one over there, too.
Yeah, I want to get him. Oh, he's right there. They're right there.
What's wrong with these two? Which one do you want?
I think I want that one.
I think you should pet all of them and see which one you like the most.
Because I think I like that one because he's coming right here.
Yeah, I think you should pet them all and see which one you like the most.
He's coming. He's just walking slow. Yeah.
He's like got attitude.
I know. What is it? I see another one.
I think they're gonna fight again. Look.
I think they're.
Uh-oh. You don't like that.
What?
That one right there, he's not like, he doesn't, he looks kind of like mad.
I know.
Or like he's got makeup on or something. Uh-oh. Fight. They're gonna fight. Go tell him you want to pet those three and see which one you like.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Birdie. Logan doesn't really want, he doesn't, it's not that he doesn't like you. We'll just get you next time.
Yeah, we'll get you next time.
Just don't get sold to nobody else.
Okay.
All right, go find a worker. I'll wait here so nobody takes him.
Okay. I'll find him.
Okay. Yeah, I'm letting my son get another animal. The joys of being a parent. Not to mention it's hilarious when he goes over there and gets customer associate people. We're at the pet store right now though. So yeah, this is our trip to the store. He has to actually go back to his mom's today too, so. This little parakeet here is pretty funny. Yeah, son? Did you tell him you wanted to buy a guinea pig?
Yeah.
He just wants to get one of the guinea pigs.
Yeah. Customer assistance, the guinea pig.
Thank you.
What did you say?
What did you say to her?
I don't know. I feel like I want to get him.
Stay by him, because you need to pet him. I'm gonna get you a cage. I know, son. He wants to pet each one and see which one he likes the most.